Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can compress the video size in the Windows, and this method is also can work within the uh, Mac and inside the Android device, which is basically an online method that I will be showing you later. So without wasting time, let's begin the process. The very first thing is that you have to download this open source application, software known as Handbrake. Just search for Handbrake on the web and then download it. It is an open source video transcoder application that can be used to basically decrease the video size. Go to the download section and then download it. So here you can see that for Windows, and then there's also the portable version. I have already downloaded both of them, and for some reason the installer that I have already installed it is not working. I don't know the reason. I searched on the web, but I could not find any answer. Instead, I am using the portable version. So I have to show you. If I have to open the Handbrake, it's going to give me this error. Basically, I have installed the .NET version 5. Still, it is not working at all. I don't know what is the reason, but if that's not working, then basically you have to use the portable version. So hold on, please. I am really sorry for this. Within the downloads, programs, Handbrake, and here is the app. Okay, the very first thing is that you have to launch the Handbrake application. You can see that it has a very clear window. So for this video, I'm going to basically uh, decrease this video, which is around 21 megabyte, and it is also a video about the metaverse. So hold on, please. If I have to play, then you will see that how it looks. Yep. So you can see that it is basically a video that I downloaded from, I don't know where, but I downloaded it from the web. So let's go ahead and convert it. Decrease the size. The video is here. So the very first thing is going to load the video. After that one, you have to configure some settings. The very first thing is that you have to make sure that you check the web optimized option, and then the other thing is there are basically two options. You have to choose uh, between the very fast 30 frame rate per second or the 1080p frame rate per second. So I'm going to choose the HD version, and after that one you can also decrease the dimension, which I'm not going to do. Except for the video, I have to decrease it, increase it to 27. And finally the audio, go to the audio, and from here you have to change the audio rate to 128. Yep, that's all. There is nothing else. And finally click browse and save it on the location that you want to save it. So for now I'm going to save it test 2, and remember that the format, okay, it's MP4, so everything is okay. And once everything is done, choose start encoding. So it's going to take a while, and once it's done, we'll see the result. Okay, it is done. Let's go ahead and check it. Here is the test 2, and right click and choose properties. It is 14 megabyte, so 14 MB is the size, so it is decreased. And if I have to play it, So basically the quality is not reduced a lot. Now this is the very first method which is mostly working, and it is an awesome method. Okay, there is also the an online method that you can use within the Android or iPhone, and that is, I think, media.io. Yep, it's the website. It has a limitation of 500 megabyte, sorry, 500 MB. Click on the online tools and then compress video, and from here you can see that upload up to 500 MB file here. Just click choose file. Let's go ahead and choose this video again. So by now you can see that it's decreasing 30%, and 14.90 megabyte will be the size. Choose compress, wait for it, and after a while it's going to convert the, sorry, decrease the size of the video, and then you can download and test it on your PC. Okay. Now there is also another open source application, but unfortunately sometimes it is working and sometimes it is not working, and that is basically the VLC player. It is a powerful player that can be used whether for playing videos, any type of extension with it, and also it has some other functionalities within the VLC player. So if I have to click open the VLC player, then click on media, convert slash save, click add. Again, I'm going to add the same video that I had, metaverse.ts, and then click here and choose convert. As I said before, sometimes it is working and sometimes it is not working at all. So most of the time, okay, let's go ahead and choose a video. How about HD version, and then provide a location on the desktop. How about test free, and start, and it is also going to take a while. So here you can see that basically it is playing, and also at the moment it is decreasing or converting the video. So hold on, and we'll have to wait and see the result. So here you can see that right now in the online website it is basically compressing the video that is uploaded. So we'll have to wait for both process. Okay, it is done. Let's go ahead and check the size. Test 3. I don't think it has decreased the size. Yep, as I said before, sometimes it is working and sometimes it is not working, so it is up to the luck. So this is basically how you can decrease a video size in Windows 11 and also within the Mac. Remember that the Handbrake application is also available for the macOS and then the Linux. So I hope you this video is helpful for you. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to the IntoGuide YouTube channel. So have a nice day, goodbye, and I'll meet you guys in the next week.